Okay, so this is the video where we're going to talk about our first lab that we're going to be doing. So this is a Roosevelt dime, and these were made between the years of 1946 and 1964. So when I go get these, I have to go to coin collectors and buy these. The reason why these are a little bit special is because they are made out of an alloy. So again, you just did that POGL, hopefully, about alloys. This is an alloy that is made out of silver and copper. And the reason why these were taken out of circulation is because they are now worth more than 10 cents just because of the value of the metal inside. And so you could look up what the composition of this is, but I would appreciate it if you actually just kind of play the game with me and maybe hold off on that. You'll eventually look that up so you can check your data. But I will tell you that these are mostly silver. Mostly silver, and then there's some copper as well in there. So the challenge for your first lab is I want you to experimentally tell me how much of this is silver. So I want to know what percentage, and you need to be able to back that up with your data. So the way that I like to run labs like this is a guided inquiry sort of lab. That's kind of the teacher jargon for that. But what it means is you are going to come up with your own process, but there are going to be some ideas that might be very valid ideas, but we cannot conduct them in the lab for various reasons. And then there are other ideas that are like, yep, we could do that. We could do that in our lab that we have here at Kent. And so along the way, I will be giving you guidance. And I'll say, like, I kind of like that idea a little better, and here's why. But your job at this point is to start brainstorming what are different ways that you might be able to tell me how much silver is in this dime. And just spoiler alert, I will tell you that we will destroy the dimes when we do this. So that's okay. If that's part of your process is you need to actually physically destroy the dime in order to get at the information, that makes sense. Okay. Your next step should be to start talking about this with the people around you. How are you going to go about doing this? All right. Bye.